I'll show you how to straighten a car with a porta power. This car hit a deer and it's out of whack. Inside we'll take a look. The headlight will not go in because the whole car needs to come this way. The hood latch also doesn't fit because there's about an inch gap here. We'll use this porta power to go from this section and push out here. We'll insert the ram in here and tighten everything up. Now the hydraulics will extend out the ram. We'll add extensions, then add tips to both sides, a little bit like Legos. Build whatever you need here. We built it too long, we'll have to shorten it up a bit. You got to make sure you find something strong enough to push against, then use the hydraulic ram to give a little extra pressure. Here you can see it's starting to extend out a little bit. Extend it out all the way, so we'll add a little piece. Something about this big will do. We'll retract everything. This part is pushed out quite a ways, so we'll retract it. We moved everything about an inch forward so it's in the correct position. Now when I take the hood, you can see it latches. We still have a lot of straightening, but at least everything's aligned. It's nice to have the hood latching one step at a time. A lot more details, but starting to take shape.